Today we're checking out this Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch long tube headers, catted, with a factory connect for the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. If you're aiming to unlock more power, better exhaust flow, and a more aggressive sound, then these are definitely worth checking out. These long tube headers are a nice step up from the restrictive factory manifolds and the short headers by delivering free-flowing 1 7/8 inch primary tubes, which allow exhaust gases to evacuate the engine more effectively. These are going to come with the high-flow catalytic converters, meaning you can reduce your emissions while still improving that airflow. Because of their mandrel bends and their full TIG weld design, the tone and exhaust scavenging are a great improvement, and they don't just perform, they're going to sound good too. You're going to see a deeper exhaust tone, faster spool, and even better torque across the mid-range, especially under load. Just notice a proper tune is going to be required to manage that air-to-fuel ratio properly due to the change in exhaust flow. The Factory Connect system goes in cleanly with the factory Y-Connect pipe, and it really simplifies the installation. And if you stick with me, we're going to show you that install here in a bit. This is going to be a very well-built system, proudly designed and built in the United States. This is constructed from high-quality stainless steel tubing, and these headers offer corrosion resistance and a strong heat tolerance for that engine bay. Flanges are extra thick for durability and to prevent warping under high temperatures. The collectors are these 3-inch fit slip, and they include the merge spikes to help scavenging between cylinders. These high flow cats are going to be integrated into the lead pipes to help reduce the restriction without sacrificing legal compliance in most states. But as always, you definitely need to check with your specific states and the regulations to know if this is going to be street legal. Now when it comes to the pricing, this is going to come in right in that mid-2000s price range. For a full long tube header kit with high flow cats, stainless steel construction, and a complete factory connect setup, this is a premium investment for a premium product, but one that's going to align with the performance gains that you're getting in the end. All right, when it comes to this install process, it's going to get the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is a pretty serious exhaust job, so you're going to want to set aside a full day to get this install done. And if you aren't 100% confident in your ability to get this done right, then go ahead and hire a mechanic to do this install for you, and you know it'll be done the right way. A custom tune is going to be highly recommended after the install for the best performance gains and making sure your new long tube headers are reaching their full potential. All right, that wraps up our review of the Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch long tube headers, catted with a factory connect for the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.